Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to show you how to add a checker texture to an object and also how to create a spring in Blender. So first we have to create one object, go to add mesh and create one cube, and then uh, come to shading. Here press shift A and then search for image texture. So here add, click here on new. Here generate type, click on UV grid and select new image, and then click and drag on this color and base color, click and drag to base color and color. So here you can add the checker texture to an object. It is very helpful in unwrapping the object. Unwrapping is also easy. We just have to click on seams like this, go to edge mode, click this edge, right click and add seam, mark seam. Where is mark seam? Here is mark seam. So like this we can mark the seams of an object, and then right click, press U, here press U and unwrap angle base, press A, U and unwrap angle base. So this is not proper. If you want you can also add some more seams. Wait, let me check. Is here, here, here and here, and then right click, mark seam, then press A and U, A, U, unwrap angle base. So see, this is our unwrap. So these are all our faces properly unwrapped. So for unwrapping, just we have to place the seam and then press U and unwrap angle base. You have to click on this unwrap angle base to unwrap a model. So this is all about unwrapping. So these are our unwrapping. So we just have to move this box here, and now I will show you how to create a spring in Blender. So click on add curve and select the circle, press here rotate and rotate it 90 degree. Here type 90 and then click and drag the circle here, then click on this circle, go to edit mode and then go to object mode and then object, apply and apply all transforms. Click on here, then click on this click on this circle, click here modifiers, add modifiers and then go to screw modifier, and here we can select the how many rotation we want of a spring. You can also go in edit mode and increase or decrease the size of a spring like this, press S and then increase or decrease the size of a spring, and it is already unwrapped. So we can see it is not unwrapped properly. See, it is not unwrapped properly. There is a seam there. So to fix this, go in UV editor, click on this object, go in edit mode, first click on this object and convert the object into mesh, then go in edit mode and apply that texture. Go in object mode, Go in layout, go in UV editor, okay. So click on this face, click here for texture view, click on this face, click on this face and press A. So we have something like this. So what we have to do is we have to mark one seam. Click on edge, mark one seam here, place alt and mark one seam, or mark one seam here, or then mark one seam here. Okay, these are our seams, and then press U and unwrap angle base. So here what we have to do is we have to uh, click one object, click one face on here, click on this face, then go in vertex mode, click on these two vertex, right click, align vertically, this also these two vertex, right click, align vertically, these two vertex, right click, align horizontally, these two vertex, right click, horizontally. And then what we have to do is go and select this face, then shift select all this face, and then right click and follow active chords. So right we can straighten the UVs, and then select all this, go and UVs and pack UVs, pack 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 Iceland, pack. Go on layout. See now our texture little bit stretch. Go on UVs and then scale little bit. Hmm. Go on layout. See our spring is also unwrapped properly. Our spring is also unwrapped properly. Our cube is also unwrapped properly. So like this we can unwrap the model and create one spring in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this, and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.